mahaba, di ko na makuha.
Diba? Nababaliw ako dito.
Si Carlo, tagal din po.
Mami, pag nalipatan na ng gutom,
makatuluyan ako dito.
Because sa loob na kasi. Dito lang sa bahay.
Hindi naman punta sa living room.
Ikaw din naman eh. Hindi mo lang kasi.
Sige na, mag-farewell walk ka. Ako ang voice over mo.
Gagalit ata si Kuya sa akin.
Ha, that was good.
Dahil nagibutom ako eh.
Uy, mag-share mo naman ako.
Dito ka, malapit sa akin. Sige.
Ayan na.
Kasi hindi ko ginawa yung pinapagawa.
A year ago, I was beaming with pride when I wore a crown.
Nalalaman mo lang paglabas.
Maganda pag may problems ka. What was it?
I thank you all
From Cebu. Diba?
to those people who made my dream come true.
Kami,
To
Cebu.
Manita Venus
Oo.
for the support and
Ganda.
Dipolog yung dad ko. Sana. Yung auntie ko mayor dun.
you is.
That's why we're here.
Whatever.
Trying blind.
What?
Trying is lying.
What is meant to be will always be.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
So, ang PBB never ka-eliminated because of voting sa loob ng bahay. Yun nga kung bakit nagtataka ako eh, di ba? Yung sa 6 natin, random lang.
Possible. Lipat namin. Tapos, sinoko pa ako ni Kuya na 14, ready ko na lumipat. Umalis sa bahay ko. Ako, ha? Umalis.
Be careful sila sa word nila. Ang always is lumabas sa looban. Hindi lumabas sa...
Oo, yan ba? Sabi ko, hindi po. Sabi nga, hindi, lilipat ng bahay. Tapos sabi ko, hindi, okay pa ako dito. First week. Kasi pinadala sa akin blindfold. Tapos, para tingnan.
Sine-joke ka lang.
Sabi niya, joke lang. Kuya naman, nervous ako doon.
I was just saying, top 3 here is Pigo, you, and Tim. My top 3.
You're cray-cray. Ayos sa'yo.
Top 3 lang eh. Top 4 siya. Pang Sam Milby yung peg niya eh.
So, pang ano?
Sa hindi.
Gwapo yun?
Viola Pascual.
Hindi.
Crush yun ni Divine si Viola Pascual.
He's so cute.
Really? Sige, when you get out, he'll be waiting for you.
I hope so. I don't think I'll be straight for him, though. I would like to be his best friend.
Just,
So I can look at him all day, wandering around.
bye.
He's pretty. He's a pretty man.
Oh, I don't want that description for me.
You're a cute man.
Pretty boy. Pretty boy.
Si Sam. Describe.
I don't know. I haven't...
Smile.
Yeah. Am I supposed to do that?
No, just me.
Bite mo. Lalo ko na.
Si...
Can I put my legs
Si
here?
Jake Cuenca.
Bakit si Jake Cuenca? What's up with Jake Cuenca?
Wala lang. Ano? Wow.
Thank you.
Ah, I like that. It's warm.
Oo nga, sa paa. Si Jake Cuenca, bad boy look. Taran.
Who's the guy with all the tattoos? He's a model for something in Ayala. Have you seen him? Have you seen him?
Derek Ramsey has tattoos, but not that much.
I think he's a musician. He sings also and he acts. He's in a commercial for...
Oh, Billy Crawford.
Oh,
Billy
okay.
Crawford. Kulit noon siya si Luis Manzano. Super kulit pag magkasama.
Hindi ko naintindihan kung bakit, bakit sumikat siya sa England, di ba? Billy Crawford. Oo. Tapos ba't siya lumipat dito?
Oo. Parang mas
Babalik siya, diba?
exposure ata.
Pabalik siya doon sa France for 4 months.
Talaga?
Talaga.
Paano si Nikki? Nikki.
Ikaw, sino top 3 mo?
I don't know. Everyone is everyone is.
No.
I guess I would say Bigel definitely.
I said Bigel and Tin.
Yeah, Tin too, and probably you.
Oh.
That's why you're such a lame-o for being in a freaking nomination. But I understand.
Are you sure? Ha? To be?
Okay ka lang, water.
Okay lang, kasi decision ko naman yun. Parang ayoko, pero yun yung pinandigan ko, pinadecision.
I'm gonna be rich.
Whatever will be will always be.
Whatever.
What is meant to be will always be. Okay, pati, tattoo niya.
Ako magpapatato ako, God knows.
Destiny, fate.
Yun. Okay.
I can't.
Okay, walang reaction.
Wait, you have to do it.
Maganda
So
siya.
I'm gonna put fingers
God
together
knows
and you have
best.
to leave them like that, okay?
Gusto mo naman ako yun.
Gusto mo?
I-explain sa'yo ng kulay yung mahirap. Kaya nga sabi ko,
Wow, what? Si Bibi.
Finger twister.
alam mo yung kasabihan dito, oh. Parang yun yung dapat i-explain dito sa PBB House. Sabi ko,
Now leave it like that for as long as you can.
You know that. Do that.
sa soldiers,
Do that. Just do that.
Upo.
Okay.
Kasi pag nakababang ka,
Move this finger.
sakit ang kilikili ko, meron ako.
yung chan niya.
Do that.
Ay, sige, ganyan. Tapos, move. It's cold.
Alam ko yan.
Okay, move this finger. This one move. This finger.
Adrian, move this finger.
Takes you a while to register, no?
Malamig.
5, 4, 5, 4.
There you go. You just did it to yourself.
Nasa beach ka.
I'm hungry. Sino yun, Bigel? Yung ice cream mo, Bigel?
I'm doing it. His hands are dirty.
What you
I
doing?
just stir just a bit once, twice.
Are these the ones they gave you?
No, these are my ones.
Astig yun. I like that.
I have ones
So
with
big.
garter sa baba dito. Like the
Really?
Aladdin jeans.
I love Aladdin jeans.
But it's jeans, and it's like till here, the
I
cut
have
here.
that too.
Carrot.
But mine are black. And they're here, and they're jeans.
Yeah,
Black.
jeans.
Yeah.
With garter.
No, just jeans.
I have that, pero khaki siya.
What's that? Oh, like.
It's not jeans. It's,
Oh, okay.
Para uminit. Tapos
I
makatid.
love
Maginaw ka?
Aladdin pants.
Makatid yung kamay ko. Ikaw lang bakit?
Makati yung kamay mo. There's always something wrong with it.
I'm so comfortable.
Tingnan mo kung papansin niya.
You have lip balm?
Hmm?
You have lip balm?
Yeah. I was just thinking about that.
Ano?
Lip balm. Tingnan mo yung jeans ng Jug. Okay yung fit, no?
Yeah, it's nice.
But the longer you wear the jag jeans, it stretches, no?
The ones I have are so
Kanina paglagay ko
Yeah.
Ha? Ito yung kundi dyan.
Kasi pag ito hindi ko hinawakan, pre.
Basta tulog, tol.
Us-us po ba? Alam mo yung us-us?
Haba ng tulog mo.
Nadudulas mo ba?
Talaga?
Us-us. Oo. Hindi, us-us. Puntong Marinduque. Malalim lalo sa madulas.
Hindi gumagalaw.
Mainit ba?
Okay, pwede rin.
Ito raw. Baba mo.
Gusto huwag mo na ikaw yakap at baka mo ano siguro. Pero okay lang. Ikaw naman ang mayakap pa yan.
Oo nga.
Pwede na rin.
Ganyan mo. Left, right. O yun. Sige pa.
Para sila Carlo. when you were a merman. Merman. Sabay pa. Merman.
Oh my god. You're trying to do it on purpose.
Merman.
He's running with the clothes.
This one hurts.
Go ahead. Hindi na natubuhan natin.
I like playing
Hindi ko
with
nga alam.
them.
Can we play things? Hello, cook for me.
Huh? Cook now? I will.
Hanep, what are your ano?
Hanep!
Go to now for.
Oh, Colin! So, Kuya!
I'll
do anything
pretty much
for
10
you.
pounds,
Give us
man.
some food.
Yeah, it's so weird. Our eating
Mamalas food ko
times.
si ano.
Now that we're
Paano kung papapilitan ni Kuya? Food o si...
I think we're gonna eat once more.
Bahala ng asawa mo mamalas? Oo, si Papa Blue.
rice?
Ano?
Have vegetables.
Sino sa dalawa mamalas?
Yeah, it's okay. At least we get to eat something.
Wait, what? Ubus na?
Have the yellow.
Pareha lang.
Apalaya, tsaka...
Ang playa.
Malay mo, pag natuyo na yung ice cream, pakain sa inyo.
And we have no more coffee?
No more.
Or creamer and sugar?
Creamer and sugar.
No, creamer and sugar.
No more.
I can't
We
drink
have
black.
coffee.
Kuya.
Creamer and sugar wala.
Sige na, kahit ano, just give us some food.
Yeah.
For dinner.
Wala na.
rice.
No
Oh,
more.
so much weight already.
Gone. Kaya sabi nga ni Slater kaganina yung measuring,
I didn't know someone was there.
So I gotta use the measuring
I
cup.
thought it was the intruder.
Kuya.
Oo nga pala, no.
Sige na, kuya.
Did Kuya say kung anong kind ng ng obstacles yung lalagay? Like bear traps and
Mag-iinit sa kiligin.
landmines.
Yung spike. Yung ano niya yun, yung mga tusok-tusok na yun. Makas lang sa kilikili.
Sige na, kuya. Kain na tayo.
Hindi yan matatanggal hanggang matapos mo yung ice cream.
Ice cream, that's what I think, so.
Yeah.
Kahit 24 hours pa.
Hindi. How
Ito
much
na,
did you
kuya.
guys
Ito yung ice cream niyo.